Hey guys, this is me, Brian, and I'm gonna be doing let's let this over. Gonna be doing a contest entry for T-Bird's 150 plus subscribers contest. Um, I got into this community from the paranormal community, which is a community that you have to prove everything on every video, and I got into this after leaving that. For many reasons, but I like the fact that you didn't have to prove anything um, in this community to anybody. They just accepted you straight off the bat, you know. Um, so yeah, this is my entry for your contest. Congratulations! And to me, these trades, which is how I got in this community, is by reading trades first of all, are recommended reading. So here's a couple trades. You may be into these. These are my favorites. First up is Ghosted by Joshua Williamson and Goran Zazuka and hold on, let's see if Miroslav Merva. Anyway, Ghosted. Awesome book. Can't recommend it enough. It's about a guy who gets broken out of prison to get rid of a ghost in a guy's house, a millionaire's house. Fantastic book. Just set this right here. Sorry about that, guys. Tablet keeps moving. Next up, this is a book that a good friend of mine had. He gave me the first three trades. This is by Spencer Asma and Esquejo, and it's Morning Glories. And this book is fantastic. It's about a group of kids who go to a prestigious school and finds out that there's more to it than it seems. Fantastic book. I still got to read the other two trades, but this one was fantastic. You had mentioned some of our favorite writers and artists. This book here is by one of my favorite writers of all time. This is M Theory by Brockton McKinney and Ford and Struts. This book is about a young man named Gabriel who basically wakes up dead and finds out that he has to help Saint Peter make everything right again. And it's just fantastic. There's a underlying theme to these. Next up is Peter Panzerfaust. This book is so fantastic. I'm sure you've heard about this book already, but it's from Curtis J. Weeb and Tyler Jenkins. This is based in World War II with the Peter Pan characters. Fantastic book. Next up is a book I just got done reading myself. I grew up a huge fan of these, and this is the ongoing Ninja Turtle series by Tom Waltz and Dan Duncan with Kevin Eastman influences. Just amazing book. I can't promote that book enough. It's just fantastic. And this is kind of a lesser known book, but this is Proof. This is about Bigfoot joining the FBI. Just fantastic book. By Alexander Grecian and Riley Rossmo done the art. Just fantastic. See if I can find a good page to show you. If I can. Here we go. Let's see about this. I hope you can see the artwork good enough. Just fantastic artwork by Riley Rossmo. In this book is a hardcover. This is Crawl to Me by IDW. This is the Evil Edgar edition. There is also a paperback version of this. This is by Alan Roberts. He wrote and drew this. Just fantastic books. Fantastic book. One of my all-time favorites. This is very creepy. It's about a demon who terrorizes a family. Just fantastic. Next up is Five Ghosts by Frank J. Barbary and Chris Mooneyham. Another one of my favorite books. I still got to pick up the Volume 2, and I'm not sure if Volume 3 is out yet. He's a treasure hunter named Fabian Gray, if you haven't heard anything about this book. He got possessed by 5 ghosts, and he uses them to help him steal ancient treasures. It's kind of like Indiana Jones with ghosts. This is another one of my favorite books. This is by Chris Northrup and Jeff Stokely. Another hardcover, and this is The Reason for Dragons. It's about a boy who is having a hard time dealing with life, and he's getting picked on, and he goes into the woods to face the ghost, and his whole life ends up being changed. Just fantastic. And this is probably one of my top 5. This is Ted McKeever's Miniature Jesus. It's about this guy. I can't remember his name now. It's been too long. Let's see if I could. I ain't gonna worry about his name right now. It's about a man who is a recovering alcoholic, and he tries to deal with his personal demons, and just fantastic. I can't say enough good things about that book. And probably my number 1 all-time favorite is Hoax Hunters by Michael Morrissey and T-Rex Jones. Or Michael Morrissey, Steve Seeley, and T-Rex Jones. T-Rex Jones did the art on this. This is actually Volume 2, because I sent Volume 1 to a good friend of mine. Just fantastic. It's about a group, kind of like Ghost Hunters or Ghost Adventures, and kind of like Scooby-Doo mixed together. If you're into like any kind of ghost shows or paranormal shows or anything like that, just pick this up. It's phenomenal. There's talks of a TV show and possibly a movie for this book. So if that's not a good enough reason to at least read the first volume of this, then I don't know what is. But I love this book. It's fantastic. And with that, that's just a couple of my favorite books. I hope you enjoyed. And with that, I will talk to y'all later, guys. Bye. And congratulations again, T. Here's to many, many more. Bye, guys.